Suzuki's proposal for a raid version of the SV650 can proudly bear the colours of the livery that triumphed in MotoGP. Suzuki's mid-size V-twin engine will soon be replaced with a front-mounted unit. But before that happens, the Japanese manufacturer could offer its fans an appetizing crossover with a very sporty character and excellent off-road capabilities. Clearly inspired by the historic DR Big in terms of aesthetics, this would be a decidedly more attractive vehicle than the v-strom, aimed more at young users who appreciate strong off-road capabilities, which without reaching the capabilities of a specialist vehicle would still remain quite large and decidedly fun. A design that allows the rider to sit comfortably in an upright position, with easy-to-reach handles and appropriate spacing between the handlebars, seat and footrests, to handle a wide range of road conditions. The Suzuki SV650 Raid Ecstar team is equipped with sturdy and adjustable suspension for both highway and off-road travel. The Suzuki SV650 Raid Ecstar team may have an aggressive and sporty design, with sharp lines and attractive details, highlighting its dynamic character. Excellent technical equipment, mechanical robustness, an unreasonable price, and undeniable aesthetic appeal would certainly be qualities for an overwhelming success for this hypothetical SV650 Raid Ecstar team. But this being a concept motorcycle, there has been no official news from Suzuki regarding the Suzuki SV650 Raid Ecstar team. What do you think of this bike? Please write your thoughts in the comments section.